So that is where I was flying my drone. So let's continue our climbing up. Oh my god, look at this trash. One more gate will be there and there. I mean here and there. कोई हमसे जीत न पावे, चले चलो चले चलो. So till here we have seen steps, either a steps or a steps carved in stones. But soon after that part, what I'm expecting is there will be no steps like this. It will be a stone climb like this. So let's see. I'm a little bit thirsty, and the good thing is that I did not bring my water. I thought I will not need it, but I'm feeling little thirsty. I've seen few videos on YouTube, and most of them said that is the trickiest part. So there are no railings, and that particular portion is little bit slope. So not sure how that particular part is gonna be. So let's go to that point. So I have reached this point where there are no railings, and most of them claim to be that this is a dangerous part of this Madhugiri fort. So it doesn't look like that much, but it's a slope. I'm not sure if you guys can see. If you see, if you fall, you'll end up reaching there. So let's see. I'm scared to keep my tripod. There are a lot of monkeys over here, so I'll try to reach the other end by holding camera in my hand itself. So here we go. Okay, I know it doesn't look like that much difficult. Yeah, it's easy. You can easily walk, guys. It's not that difficult, to be honest. I have just started, but I can feel it. So let me cross and then claim it to be a easy part. It's a bit slope, but I think rain would make it difficult. But here there are steps carved, so it's not that difficult. You can easily walk. See, I'm not taking any support for just walking. Yeah, it's not that difficult, guys. Let me see if I can go back and come again. So like I was saying, it's not that difficult. The other way to complete this particular section is to lean towards the wall and keep walking. So they had made markings here, but it has gone off. So just remember that once you enter from that gate, keep walking straight this way. Okay, so I'm a bit hungry now. So the last meal I ate yesterday was around 8 o'clock. After that I didn't had anything, and so I am going to eat. So I was saying that this type of food is what you should also be getting. So it's mainly a dry fruits. If you can see here, so dry fruits, raisins, some peanuts, almonds and cashew. So it will be lightweight also and gives more energy. It will be easy for us to carry as well. So try to get this type of food if you are going on a trek. And yes, also water, which I have forgot. So but it's not that much hot also. If you start bit early, it will be fine. And do make sure to wear a proper shoes and carry at least 1 liter of water per person, so you can take breaks and enjoy this place. See, look, Literally there's no one here, and it's fun to be at a place like this. I think some more, and we have made to peak. So I have office as well tomorrow, so I should go home and take rest. Okay, after short breakfast break, I'm back, restored some energy and ready to head towards the peak. So guys, please don't make a mistake what I did. Carry enough water. So after the entrance which I showed just now, from here the peak is somewhere there, and the path is also a little bit difficult. I'm sure there's a wind blast getting recorded. I'm a bit confused here, not sure which way to go. There are no arrow marks also here at this point. So from there you have to come straight, but here is the difficult path. You have to go this way, and here is the door. But look at the steep. Oh my god, if this is the difficult part for me, because right now I have less energy. If little bit of disbalance, definitely. I'm now inside the gate what I was showing just now, but I still cannot see the peak. What? You have to lie down and go here. This way? Seriously? Oh. After flying a drone over here, it's time to get out from this resting point. So that was the stone below which we came, and here is our peak. A first glimpse of a peak is what I can say. So the time is 10:43. So I reached here around 10:30. So let's go back and calculate how much hours it took. So you can literally run and climb down, but don't try this. It was fun here actually. If you are planning to visit this place, first go to Gudibande Fort. I have also uploaded video about Gudibande Fort. So this fort is 3 times or 3x of Gudibande Fort. If you can do that easily, then you can. And remember guys, I had to climb without water. So if I can do without water, you can definitely do it. It's like just 98 kilometers from Bangalore, and come test your limits. See how your body is gonna respond to the stress you give to the muscles. So good place. I would not visit here again. I usually don't go the same places again. So let's see if in future if I had to come here again. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Okay, we are new to this platform and trying to grow. Without your support it's definitely not possible, but do hit subscribe button only if you enjoyed. If you have watched the video till now, I mean till the end, this will be the almost end part of the video. If you have come till this part, then definitely it was engaging and entertaining. We finally reached down. That is our bike. It's 11:44. Time is let me show you guys. 11:44.